to show network speed on the status bar in the Samsung A27 5G, you will have to start by opening a Google Play Store, and we can only do this by using a third-party applications from the Play Store. So in this case, we can input internet speed meter, something like this, similar phrase, and you can use, for example, the net speed indicator application, or for example, the internet speed meter light. For me, I just download this one. You have to tap on it, open. When opening for the first time, you will have to grant access to send notifications. Now click to enable indicator, and as you can see, it will appear over here in the left upper corner. What you can also do, like you can change between total speed, download speed, and upload speed. So for example, if I want to see upload speed, will be visible right now. You can also change some notification settings if you want, and you can also change units, so bits or bytes, and some other things like style, like we can get system default, compact. Now we can also get the daily data usage, and as you can see, some other things.